Welcome back. We're just below the peak of the Pilot Mountain, which is what feeds the Whoop-em-Up Creek into our mining claim. Man, I mean, look at that view. It's beautiful. Anyways, I'm gonna try to get some gold. Yeah. It's a fucking nature show! Sometimes you just gotta stop and, look at it. Well, that's it. I didn't find any gold. I didn't actually mine. I got distracted by Minecraft in real life and started building a staircase up to the Supremo camp spot up there on the hill. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll find some gold next time. But for now, it's a fucking nature show!
Hey! Oh! It's a healing! Oh! Oh! Huh. Maybe I'll get closer. Second thought. Out. I'll see you later, dude. I'm out. Bye.
Well, welcome back. Didn't quite expect that. There was a bear right off the side of the road, and it pulled over, and he ran up the mountain. He was like, "Get away from me, dude." So, yeah, I don't know.